Okay, so we'll move it. Don't worry. So what happens now, Luke?
Well, since it's sealed, the air is going to stay in there, and when we let it out, pow, the tooth is going to be out.
Okay, let's check that out.
Once I get sturdy, you're
Okay.
gonna start bumping. Sorry about the fingers in the way.
Let's move over this way a little bit. What PSI are we going for?
40.
Just 40?
It'll pull her tooth out, Dad.
Even 20 would.
No. Dad, once you're done, you let it out because I'm not gonna.
Wait.
Are you ready? Step back a little bit, Luke.
Wait, let me get full. I'm perfectly ready.
Ready?
Go.
Did it work? Where is it?
The string is right there.
I think we might have lost
Yep.
it too.
Here. Right there.
Do you see the tooth anywhere?
We lost the tooth.
Really?
Yeah, we did. Okay.
It's not going flying.
It's right here.
Wait, you found it?
Oh,
Amazing.
there it is.
Ooh, look at Maya. Show her the smile. A
Oh,
little bit of blood. Not too bad.
let's go in the shade so we can see it better.
Taste it, Maya.
Let's go in my. Wait, show us your mouth now.
Come out of the sun.
Wait,
Ooh,
open
it's a lot of
open your
blood.
mouth. Like,
Okay, now
oh
I need
yeah,
a paper
that is
towel.
that is an amazing amount of blood.
Did it hurt, Maya? No.
Sorry about those fingers. We can end the video right there. Smash the like button and subscribe.